Hey everyone, today we're gonna be checking out something incredible, something fun, something really hot. This is a hot tub from Beyond Marina, so it's inflatable. We're actually gonna be putting it in our garage to stay out of the elements, yet, kind of be outside as well. Let's go ahead and open this box and see what's inside. Shipping on this was actually super fast and efficient. Ship weight, it's about 60 pounds. Let's go ahead and have that first look together. So packaging looks to be good. It looks like we have our instructions. We have our instructions there on the side. That's what it's gonna look like. So it's inflatable, a drop stitch, kind of like an inflatable paddleboard, hot tub. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Here's a quick peek at everything that was inside that box. So starting left to right on the bottom, we have the actual hot tub kind of folded up like you would see like a paddleboard. We have the ground cover gray mat there, an uh-oh kit in case we get a hole. We have the directions user manual. We have the hand pump to go ahead and inflate said hot tub. And in that brown box there, we have the heater filter system. And on top of it, we have our cover. We've gone ahead and laid out our gray mat on the floor here, and we've unrolled the hot tub on top of it. So you do have a couple of different areas around the hot tub, and we'll go ahead and center it on here and get it all situated once we inflate it. So first things first. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and inflate it. So we're gonna set up our manual hand pump right here. Pretty easy to go ahead and set up. You're just gonna go ahead and stand on there. You do wanna go ahead and make sure that your pin on here is in the up position, so that when you put the air in, it remains inside our hot tub. And just go ahead and manually pump up that hot tub like that. It is coming right along. We have officially inflated the Beyond Marina hot tub and have it all set up in our garage here. We've set our hot tub up so that we have our drain tube towards our garage door, so when we're ready to drain it, we can obviously connect a hose to it and drain it out our garage door here. And then we have where we inflated it on this side. Our connection here for the heater is very conveniently located to an outlet for us as well. So next up, we get to go ahead and fill it. I present to you a hot tub that is fully assembled and has been heating for quite some time now. Assembly was super simple. Of course, you saw us put down that gray mat and then stretch this out, pump that up. So let's go over the outside of things before we peek at the inside. So this simply had just a couple of hoses that you have to push in kind of hard. There's little red rings in there to get them in there tight, and then little caps to screw on here like a nut. Both sides, really quite simple to go ahead and put on. Now we have our filter heater bubbler right here. Unit isn't too heavy. Let's go ahead and go over some of the other outside features before we open this up. So this does have 4 clips around the outside, kind of just those classic toggle clips with a little extra safety and security that you need to press down right there to unbuckle it. And then you can go ahead and cinch down that cover. So there's 4 of those, keeping this cover on snugly. All right, let's go ahead and take this cover off. You see some steam coming out right away. Oh, look at that. So filter's been doing a good job on our water, keeping things nice and clear. So this has been filled for about 36 hours or so, and I can see some steam coming off of it. On the bottom there, you can see the filter. So that's just a plastic reservoir that has a filter on the inside. They did go ahead and send us an extra filter as well, so we can switch that out. On the right of that, there is the outlet. There was just a cap on there we had to take off to go ahead and let that water out of the tub. So the edge of the tub, nice and solid. It does have that drop stitch construction like a paddleboard would, an inflatable paddleboard. And we do have some ripples or ridges on the inside. You can see the minimum and maximum fill line over there. We're kind of halfway in between, but we'll see how that works once we get in here and how high the water gets. But they do have that min and max fill line to go ahead and make sure you're getting the right amount of water in there before you start that pump. So again, the hot tub probably took, I would say, about an hour or so to fill up. Our groundwater was approximately 50 degrees. So doing the math, this did heat up over a degree an hour, which yours might heat a little bit quicker because it's super, super cold out for us right now. Currently outside, it is in the 30s. We are inside of a garage and it's above 40 in here. They do recommend not to use this below 40. So we figured this would be the perfect spot to go ahead and hang out in a hot tub, have it be chilly outside, but not freezing our unit at the same time. take a look at that. I just went ahead and opened up that garage door. You can see the steam coming off of the hot tub. And of course, it is dark and snowy outside. This is going to be perfect to go ahead and enjoy the elements while keeping ourselves protected from the elements at the same time with the garage. So look at that. So yes, nice and cold and snowy, the perfect time to use a hot tub. And we're almost ready. Gonna let it get a little bit warmer in there, I think, and then we'll hop in. Look at that. You can sit right in the hot tub, and right outside, you have yourself some snow. The moment we've been waiting for. This moment, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. We have reached top temperature for the hot tub, and it is our moment to go ahead and get in. As you can see, our filter is still running. This heater button, while it's heating, it's solid. When it gets to its temperature, it starts blinking, letting you know that it has achieved that great feat of heating the water to 104 degrees. So we have our bubbler that we're gonna turn on in a minute and check out. But our hot tub is hot.
Hot tubbing! Yeah! Got some bubbles going, look at this. Woohoo! Bubble action. This is great, this feels amazing. Trying to lose some weight, you know, working out and getting in here. Woo! Feels good. Feels real good. Love it. Hot tubbing. Like hot tub and aerial shots right now. That's what we got going on. Look at that steam. This is the real deal. Got like 104 degrees of awesomeness. We got these bubbles. It's like really relaxing. You got plenty of room. You can like just really go ahead and just lay out. Like, you know, I'm 5'11" and I can just lay out and just, I could really just like starfish right out here, like Patrick Starfish. Like I almost have just enough room for a complete starfish, but this is a good size hot tub. Definitely have room for a few more people as well. Really relaxing after working out. Man, it's great. Hot tubbing with some bubbles. That's how we do it. The bubbles.
All right. So yeah, I mean, inflatable hot tub
In the garage.
Yeah. I mean, you have a lot of possibilities on where you could put this thing.
Yeah.
You don't really want to be outside under 40 degrees though. So,
right, so we're in the heart of winter right now, so this was the best option that we had.
Yeah.
And it's perfect to warm up.
Yeah, and we can just open the garage door or the side door to let out this steam here.
Yes.
Kind of take care of our humidity levels. We'll be doing that in just a moment, but yeah, I mean, this is fun. This is fun. Really nice. Yeah. You know, I mean, it's a way more affordable option than like a hard shell. Hot tub.
Well, and this could be also like your stepping point to like see like, do you truly want a hot tub?
Yeah, does it work for you? Do you like it? You know, do you want to spend the money on a bigger one? But this is great, just kind of like how it is. I mean, again, a lot of different fun applications for this, especially in like the spring, summer, and fall. You know, having it outside. So this is great.
The bubbler is a really cool thing too. I don't think I showed you guys. Like down below, there's like this.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So the bubbler is actually like these little holes, these little perforations around the outside. So they go all the way around the entire hot tub and kind of bubble and give you that hot tub feel.
It's a ring of bubbles.
It is a ring of bubbles.
Yeah.
So this is a really neat hot tub. If you're in the market for one, definitely check out Beyond Marina. They have a ton of different stuff, including this awesome hot tub. Link down below in the description and also in the comments. To check out all those details and specifications, anything we missed today in setting this up and checking it out.
This does seem to be like, I do have to say, like super quality.
Yeah, like and it's big. Like you could definitely, I think it says on the website for like 6 or maybe 7 people.
Yeah, I think you could definitely do like 5 in here, like comfortably.
Yeah.
You know, you want to get more comfortable with people, you could do more, but you know. Yeah. It's a great size hot tub.
It is. And it's a ton of fun. So definitely check that link out. Thank you all so much for joining us today. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.
Bye-bye. Hot tubbing.